If you're on the hunt for a form builder that doesn't just feel like a chore to use, you might want to check out Fillout. But does it really deliver on that promise, or are there some hidden catches? Let's dive in. Fillout positions itself as a user-friendly form builder that aims to simplify the process of creating forms for various needs, whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or managing registrations. The interface is sleek and modern, which is a definite plus. You can easily drag and drop elements into your forms, and there's a decent variety of templates to get you started. What stands out is the flexibility to customize forms with conditional logic, which can enhance user experience by showing questions based on previous answers. However, one area that feels a bit vague is the extent of integrations with other platforms. While I mentioned compatibility, specifics are lacking, which might leave users wondering if their favorite tools will work seamlessly. The intended audience seems to be small businesses or individuals looking for a straightforward solution, but I can't shake the feeling that larger organizations might find it a bit limited in scope. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ease of use is a major strength. You don't need to be tech savvy to whip up a form quickly, and the visual appeal is definitely a bonus. However, some users might find the customization options a bit too basic for more complex needs. A significant concern is the lack of transparency around pricing. It's not always clear what features come with which plan. Additionally, while the built-in analytics are handy, they're not as robust as some might hope, especially if you're looking for deep insights. In terms of who this might not suit, larger teams or businesses requiring extensive integrations or advanced analytics may want to explore alternatives. But for smaller projects or straightforward forms, Fillout could be a solid choice. In conclusion, Fillout has potential, especially for those looking for a simple form building solution. If you're a small business or an individual, it's worth trying out. However, if you need more advanced features or integrations, you might want to consider other options. Ultimately, it feels like a decent tool, but with some areas that could use improvement.